Hey Janet, it's time for a video. Okay, I'm gonna show you an update. Remember how I used this to give myself a facelift? It's still working. It still does it. I'm letting my gray hair come in. So that's why I'm putting this on. Oh no, it's not true. It's because I love wigs and I love dressing up and doing all this stuff. So let's do this wig cap. I did put makeup on for you. There we go. So this is Timeless. That's the name of her. Jaclyn Smith. I think I have the box. I got that one on Paul Young. So even though it's so hot, I really am not going anywhere. That's probably why I have time. Portland is having a huge heat wave, like a lot of places. So it just cheers me up to put this on for you. So today I'm going to do a little trick that I learned for styling. First, the brush I'm using is the Denman brush for curly hair, right? But it really works well for this. So I do think I may try platinum, even though when I finally get gray, I might stay that way and just wear my curly frizzy hair. So here's a little trick. First, you can certainly wear your glasses with this. That always helps. I think we look cute with our glasses on. And then I took this from the dollar store. Just one of these things. Twisting it around. And then it's like a thing that you wear, like, I don't know what the deal is, but it's totally in a circle. So when you put it on your head, you just put part of it through it. And look, isn't that the cutest thing? For an accessory for hair, not your own. You just push it through that, and then you're good to go. And then you can fluff up your hair. So I do think in the end, we do look more youthful. I don't know. Tell me what you think. This is Ruby Woo lipstick by MAC, my favorite red. And my cute wig, Jaclyn Smith, Timeless, in the shade Platinum. Okay, I have a few other tips while you're here. Love this. It's a great Essence Lash Princess, best mascara on the planet. I think it's $5. And I'm loving e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer before makeup. And best thing of all, because it's so hot in here, I always have these from the dollar store. So it's a Barbie world, don't you think? Anyway, let me know what you like about this wig. I'm thinking about Amazon Prime. I've been looking at their wigs. But right now, Paul Young is just really the best because it's not that hot. And I have been seeing a lot of Mystic Mama here in Portland. A great band. So anyway, this is for you, Janet.